This is the famous New York City of United States of America. Now, this is how it looks now. But do you want to see how it may look 50 years or 100 years from now? Let's see. Well, this is how it may look 50 or 100 years from now. Most of the major part of the city may drown under the sea. Now, why are we suspecting such a future for such a great city? Well, that is because the earth is constantly warming. In fact, the last 10 years were the warmest years in the history. So you see, earth is constantly facing higher temperatures. Now, why does that happen? Well, for that, you will have to understand this particular effect on planet Earth. So, when the sun's energy reaches the Earth's surface, some of it is reflected back into space. And a portion of the sun's heat is trapped by the gases in the atmosphere, such as carbon dioxide and others. So, what is happening? While most of it is reflected back, some of it is trapped by gases such as carbon dioxide and others. Now, this trapping of sun's heat resulting in the heating of the earth is called greenhouse effect. So, these gases trap the heat of the sun, and because of which the earth gets heated, and this entire effect is called greenhouse effect. Now, the gases such as carbon dioxide and others that create this effect are called greenhouse gases. So you see, all these gases which are responsible for greenhouse effect are called greenhouse gases. And because of this greenhouse effect, the earth gets warm. Now, this is a very important process for Earth's surface, because if these gases don't trap the heat of the sun, then we will feel very cold when sun is not in the view, that is at night time. But if the quantity of these gases increase more than normal, then the temperatures will be much higher than we actually require. And then this greenhouse effect can be negative for us. So you see, carbon dioxide is an important greenhouse gas, but excess of carbon dioxide can harm us. Now, carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas. What do you think about this statement? Is it true or is it false? Well, it is definitely true. Carbon dioxide is a very important greenhouse gas. Now, what happens when greenhouse gases increase in the atmosphere? Well, increased amount of greenhouse gases means increased global temperature. And increased global temperature has a number of negative effects. So, if the entire global temperature is increasing, it can have a number of negative effects. And what are these negative effects? Well, first of all, ice on the poles is melting rapidly due to this increasing temperature. And this results in rising sea levels, because all this ice which melts adds water into the ocean or the sea, and so the level of the sea keeps on rising because of that. Now, what would happen because of the rising sea levels? Well, this is the scenario which many of the coastal cities may face. As you can see, once the sea level rises, the entire water can enter into the city because the sea is overflowing. And so we all may drown in this sea water, all because of global warming. So you see, increased temperature threatens to drown all major coastal cities, which is a big danger. Now, what else happens because of increased temperatures? Well, increased temperature is resulting in more forest fires. So more forests are catching fire because of increased temperatures. Increased temperature is also causing more rainfall, resulting in more floods. Now, as you know, because of evaporation from the sun's heat, we have more clouds and more rainfall. As we know, because of evaporation due to sun's heat, we have rainfall. Now, if there is more heat, there will be more evaporation, and as a result, more rainfall. And so, we may face a lot of flood situations in future. Now, this phenomenon where the global temperature is constantly increasing is called global warming. So you see, global warming is an increase in the Earth's average temperature due to an increasing amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. So you see, as greenhouse gases keep on increasing, we are constantly facing global warming situation. So, what are the major effects of global warming? Well, global warming can cause increased sea levels, it can cause more forest fires, and it can cause more rainfall and flood. And if we keep on having such problems, our survival will be at danger. So, understanding global warming and controlling it is very important because it is a very serious problem for our planet. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.